GoHighLevel versus Hubspot. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick comparison between GoHighLevel and Hubspot and what small business owners should know before they choose their preferred platform. So one of these tools could actually replace 5 different subscriptions, and the other one might drain your budget a little more. So if you're a small business owner, coach, agency, or freelancer, choosing the wrong CRM can cost you money, time, and missed leads. So today we're breaking down both of these platforms, what they actually do, what they're best for, and which one would make more sense for you if you want growth without complexity. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform fits your business and why most businesses are opting for one. So what are these platforms really? Let's simplify this. Let's start with HubSpot. Now, HubSpot started as an email marketing tool and then it evolved into a CRM ecosystem. It's powerful, but it's also modular, meaning that most features are going to be locked behind upgrades. Think of it like pay for what you need and then pay again when you grow. Now, if I compare this to GoHighLevel, GoHighLevel is pretty different. It was built specifically for small businesses, agencies, and service providers. Instead of selling you features one by one, it says, here's everything, use what you want. And that difference changes a lot. So the next thing we're going to compare is features. Now, in features, I'm going to show you guys the basic dashboard of HubSpot. So you guys can see that when you're opting for HubSpot, you have to either choose marketing, their smart CRM, their sales, their content creation tool, their data tools. So everything is modular and everything is completely segregated. So once you do that, you're going to be opting for whatever features you want, and then you're going to be paying for those features and then signing up. Once you've signed up, this is what your dashboard is going to look like on HubSpot. So you guys can see you have your quick CRM, marketing, content, commerce, data management, and everything that has a orange arrow is not going to be included within your plan. So you're going to have to upgrade for all of these things that have these orange arrows. Now within HubSpot, you're going to find email marketing, which is pretty limited. You have basic CRM features, sales pipelines, and basic reporting. So here's the catch. When you want automation, SMS marketing, advanced workflows, and custom reporting, then you're going to be pushed to higher price tiers and you're going to have to upgrade your plan. Now, let's compare this to GoHighLevel. Now, if I show you guys GoHighLevel's dashboard, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. You can see you have prospecting, sub-accounts, account snapshots, reselling, add-ons, and much more. So you can see in here, you have your Prospect AI as well, which is an automated lead discovery agent, which is an amazing feature that I personally have loved using. GoHighLevel out of the box includes all basic features such as CRM and email and SMS marketing, so you're not limited to only emails. You have complete automation workflows available, funnels and landing pages, appointment bookings, call tracking, two-way texting, reputation management on Google reviews, pipeline and deal tracking, all in one singular dashboard. No add-ons, no upgrades, no surprises. So if you want to access anything, all you need to do is log on to your GoHighLevel account. You don't have to switch between your accounts or have to buy all of these features separately. Everything is going to be included in your basic setup. Now, moving forward, the next thing that a lot of people do think about whenever they're looking for any CRM tool is automation and whether or not that is going to be something that is built in, or is that going to be something that they have to purchase separately. So when it comes to automation in GoHighLevel, it is easily integrated into all of their features. So whenever you're looking to get started with anything on GoHighLevel, automation is already built into those workflows. So if we are building, let's say we're looking out for sales and conversions or leads, or we're trying to set up email automations, all of those can easily be automated. You can set up auto text leads within seconds, send up You can send follow-up sequences. You can move deals through pipelines automatically, and you can even book appointments without human involvement. This is huge because most leads go cold in minutes, not days. And GoHighLevel doesn't just store your leads, it chases them for you. Now, if I compare this to HubSpot, HubSpot does have its own automation features. However, you guys can see that automation is behind a paywall. So if you're on the higher tier plans, you're going to get good automation, but for many small businesses, automation becomes either too complex, too expensive, or too underused, which is why I do prefer GoHighLevel when it comes to automation. Now, let's talk about pricing, because this is where a lot of businesses are going to be making their final decisions. And GoHighLevel has very standard pricing, whereas HubSpot's pricing is modular, meaning that you're going to have to be paying for features differently. So HubSpot starts free, but real functionality comes at hundreds or thousands of dollars per month as you scale, because you have limits on automations and emails. And if you want to breach those limits and you want to optimize your business, then you are going to have to upgrade. So you have a smart CRM that starts at $50 and their next plan starts at $75. Then for marketing, you would have to purchase their marketing hub for either $800 or $3,900 a month. Then you have their sales plan, which is going to be $90 or $150. Then your service plan would be $90. Then your content plan would be $450, and so on and so forth. All of your prices are going to be increased. So if we're including all of these platforms, let's say we're going with the basic version of everything. So the Commerce Hub, we're going to go for the starter plans on all of their modular tools. And then you also have some add-ons, so API limits, e-signatures as well. And then all inclusive, you would be paying on a monthly basis around $365, which is for their first tier plans. Now, if I was to compare this to GoHighLevel, GoHighLevel comes with out-of-the-box features that are complete. So their starter plan is $97, their unlimited is $297, and their SaaS Pro is $497. All of these plans have everything that you need to get started. It's out of the box. You don't need to pay separately for email marketing or for your CRM features. Everything from booking, pipelines, social media calendars, website builders, and more is going to be included in your basic pricing. So you don't have to think about, oh, I have to purchase this specific feature separately. So in terms of pricing, GoHighLevel does have the edge because their plans come at an easy and simple rate. So the starter plan is $97, and if I was to compare this to HubSpot, you would end up paying $397 for all of their modular features. Sure, you could skip some, but you would reduce the capability for you to optimize your business. Now, one more thing that a lot of people are going to be thinking about is ease of use. And if you're looking to get started with GoHighLevel, you can simply click on the link provided in the description box down below, and you can sign up for a complete 30-day free trial. So you can try out GoHighLevel by yourself as well. It's pretty easy to use and simple to set up. And adding your own agency is going to be very easy. You guys can see that once you do that, you can start up with their easy launchpad and you can start setting up everything as you go. There are no difficult setups and everything is guided for you. HubSpot also has a pretty simple layout, and if you go into their CRM, you guys can see that they have a pretty basic outlook. They don't have a direct launchpad, which allows you to set up everything one by one, but with the features that you have, you can easily get started. So which one should you actually be using for your business? Well, both are okay platforms, but GoHighLevel is way better if you are a business owner that wants a complete platform with more leads, more follow-ups, and more conversions. GoHighLevel provides you with the opportunity to simplify everything, and it just makes more sense to use GoHighLevel. However, if you are a large company that only wants one specific feature, HubSpot might just be an okay choice for you. And if budget is not your concern, then HubSpot is fine because you can purchase everything separately. So for most business owners, I would simply recommend GoHighLevel. And if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, make sure to click on the link provided in the description box down below to get a 30-day free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And make sure to like and subscribe for more content.